A place like Cedar Key. I want to take you down there because notice what the forecast is here. A lot of places above 9 feet is the forecast. Some places here where with the latest forecast from Hurricane Center, it could be 10 to 15 feet. Let's focus on kind of 3 or 4 city blocks here. It's A, B, C, and D streets up through 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, okay? And then that takes you back toward the marsh as you go from the Gulf of Mexico back toward the marsh area north of that. I'm going to point out a couple of things for you here. So this is C Street right here. So this is 1st, this is 2nd, this is 3rd. Then you get back to the marsh area here that's at the top of your screen. A couple of things to point out. If you go this way, you go down toward the pier. Right here, we've got condos. Sea Spray townhomes here, vacation rentals here. Fire department sits right here. Very vulnerable. Look at the bays. They're all open. They're glass doors. The 1st floor is going to be taken out by water. Public library right here. Police station, city hall right behind that. All will go underwater. Let's go ahead and show you with our FloodFX animation a real simulation of the forecast for 9 feet of surge, okay? All of this area goes underwater. Along Dock Street, those businesses are likely going to disappear into the Gulf of Mexico. Notice here, the townhomes, underwater, fire station, underwater. Back here, Jiffy Store, the liquor store, all underwater. May actually completely disappear. Now we're back to 2nd. Right there, 2nd Street. Right here, maybe one of the most fortified buildings in Cedar Key. It is the bank, all right? So it's just a 2-story concrete building. The 1st floor guaranteed to take on water with the current forecast. So you can see how that's the 1st floor is down there. You can't even see it. You can only see the 2nd floor of the bank from this vantage point as that water then spreads in from the Gulf of Mexico and goes northbound up past 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Street and then reconnects with the marsh, which is back here. So it all becomes one body of water in essence. So pull it back. Art studio next to the bank. Next to that is a beauty salon. There are the townhomes once again. It's 2 stories. So what you're looking at are the balconies of the 2nd story. This is with 9 feet of water above normally dry ground. The updated forecast from the Hurricane Center says maybe as much as 15 feet of water. If the eye goes north of us, that maximizes the storm surge in Cedar Key. That means it's life-threatening and you need to evacuate. This is hopefully a good illustration to show you what's coming your way, why you cannot stay in a situation like that.